Hello, this is my backyard bed. Part of this bed, actually at this side of this bed, I've had it for a few years now, and it's a work in progress even now. So up here you can see the Queen Elizabeth rose, I think. And below there is a mini rose that you get like the supermarket ones. I planted it in ground last fall. I've had it for I think a couple of years before that, and I used to bring it in for winter because I was not sure whether they would survive outdoors. So planted it late summer last year, and it has come back beautifully. So two daylilies that I transplanted from the front. There are a lot of gladioli here. In the back I went to sowed some delphiniums that came up but then have gone down under a layer of compost that the landscapers added. That's a penstemon. I think it's just divided into two by itself. More gladioli here. I think there might be a couple of lilies, but I've never been, planted the lilies 5-6 years back, and the first 2-3 years before the deers discovered them, we didn't have a fence back then, so I never got to see any of the plots after that. So I think there are still some lilies in here. That's a bunch of poppy seedlings that I went to sowed and transplanted. This is a perennial with white spiky flowers, kind of like a speedwell, but I'm pretty sure that's not the name. Again, yeah, I have to look it up. This is a firebush, I think, or can't remember the name. It is beautiful yellow and magenta flowers like all over the stem. It's covered with flowers in late spring, early summer. I have asters here, again, that I transplanted I think from the front. So these should be purple asters. More gladioli here, and I think I planted something daisies too here. Penstemon, red hot pokers, these are the yellow ones. I've had them for a while now. I divided them and planted them on the other side. Mums, those are again light yellow, creamish color out here, that one. And then these are the columbines. They are new. I haven't planted much here because I need some cleanup to do. I have some cleanup. There's some more grass that I need to remove, and we have the exhaust pipe from the AC venting here, and that's actually the drainage, the line you can see. I need to move that out. And all the way at the back of my fence I have forsythia. This is my fig. I think it's a brown turkey fig, and so far it seems lifeless. Hopefully it comes back. I planted it in fall. More red hot pockers, this one, and there I have aster. In the back, that's the purple aster. This is the white aster. I think I have daisies or black-eyed Susan in here too. Again, I do not remember because after these are all divided and transplanted, either mine or from friends. And I think a day or two after I planted, the landscapers came and added a layer of compost, so I do not know where things are. This is a penstemon. In that pot is a canna that I planted. I didn't have the heart to put it in the water garden yet. I was waiting for it to sprout so that I can make sure that it didn't rot. This place is empty because I have plans of adding a bench here. Let me step back so you can see. And there, that's my water garden. For now it's only in one pot. I plan to make it into two because I've got two water lilies that are divided. I need to add more water in there, and that is the small pot is a iris. The water lilies are like white. Again, I overwintered them in the unfinished basement. My hydrangeas, these were transplanted from another side of the property to the back. These are endless summer, and they are coming back. And out here I have I think lilies, red hot pokers, these should be the ones, either ones that I divided, the pink or the white, light yellow one, or the new ones that I bought, which are supposed to be the red and the orange ones. This is a dianthus, like a salmon color dianthus that I added this year. My sweet peas looks like someone trampled on them. Hopefully they'll come up. They look really bad. In the back over there I have some foxgloves that I transplanted, that I winter sowed and transplanted. We had kind of a frost warning, frost advisory last night, so I don't know how well they did. Again, more foxgloves in the back behind the hydrangea. In this pot I have a lot of things going on. Some dahlias I think I have here too, lilies, liatras, what else, these are poppies again, that I transplanted. More poppies, and I think that is a salvia coming up. In the back I have some asters, and I have a lot more stuff in here. I forget, lilies, crocosmia, that's one thing that I have in this area. Again, I forgot where I planted which. More poppies, yarrow, this is a pink color flower. More poppies, red hot pothos. I have more red hot pothos around here too. Penstemon, lupine, two of them I have. These are, I just bought them as plants and transplanted because I completely forgot to buy seeds or plant them in winter. I do not know the name of this one. This is new. Again, it's a perennial. In the back, more asters and foxglove. Again, this whole area, like I said, is dahlias, lilies, liatras, crocosmia, and red hot pothos. And there is some black-eyed Susan and salvia in here too that I transplanted. Mexican feathergrass, foxgloves, lavender. This is a Spanish variety lavender, and they say it's a perennial in zone 6. Hopefully it comes back. Poppies, salvia, and I know there's a black-eyed Susan somewhere here too, or daisy. Again, penstemon in the back. Oh, in the back there too, all around the along the fence I have hollyhocks planted. Again, hopefully they come up. There are hollyhocks here too, both seeds and the bulbs, roots I would say. I think daisy's here, black-eyed Susan here. This is my white peony that I bought as a plant and planted this year. This whole side, this whole bed is new completely. Anemone, and I have sown baptisia and what else? Bee balm here. So this is all the perennial side. Coming over to this side, this spot is empty for a hydrangea, most likely a lace cap hydrangea. I am yet to find one. More foxgloves, that's a delphinium, and I think I have some delphinium seeds in here too. Poppies, this is a speedwell, my fall blooming camellia. It has a nice pink flowers, hopefully. Again, I planted it last fall. Oh, my cherry tree, which is new. I actually forgot to show you my magnolia. This is my magnolia and my apple. You can see it. That's my apple. Okay, coming back to my cherry tree, which is new too. This is my cherry tree, and I have sage here, hardy banana, penstemon. This spot is empty. I'm still trying to figure out what I need to add there. Aster, salvia, anemone, penstemon, and I think there's black-eyed Susan from here too. This is my clematis. Not sure if it's this the right spot or not. I think it fell down. So that is a Rebecca clematis, and it has deep maroonish red flowers. Again, I still cannot decide where to put this, so I kept it there to see whether the spot is right or not, but my husband came and thought the spot and he dug it. Dug the hole and then realized, oh, okay, it's a creeper, so may not be this is the right place. This is my Scarlet O'Hara peony. Can't wait to see the blooms. It's a single layered peony with a red peony with a yellow center. Again, this pot is empty. More asters. This is a perennial phlox. And again, more aster. I know there's black-eyed Susan somewhere here, or Daisy somewhere in here too. Hopefully it comes back. This pot is empty too, again because I cannot decide what to put in there. So that's my backyard bed. Hopefully the whole thing fills up in the summer, and you know, it's a work in progress, so I'm thinking maybe in 2-3 years it'll be full.